Hi, I'm Carl from Bear Creek Woodworking and welcome back to my shop. Today I'd like to talk to you about my Ridgid router. Now I bought this trim router, cordless trim router, a little over a year ago, probably a year and a half ago. I've used it a lot, I really like it, so I want to just tell you about it and give you a little bit of my opinion of this product. First of all, I'd like to tell you that I bought this with my own money. It is not sponsored. It is not sponsored, so you can trust that these are my own opinions. Now, this Ridgid router, I really like it. When I first was thinking about buying a cordless router, I had my doubts because, like, is a cordless router really going to have enough power compared to a corded router? And I'm happy to say it does. The new technology of these lithium-ion batteries are really good. The battery length lasts a long time. It has a lot of power when it's running. It doesn't die out to the end. When it does die, it goes full strength until the very end, and then it just stops. So it doesn't like start weakening on you towards the end. It's full strength until it stops, which is really cool. When it stops, you kind of think, is it broken? But it's not. It just ran out of power. I do also have a 4 amp hour battery too, so I can swap these out if it does run out. On most projects, the 2 amp hour is plenty of power. I can run it as much as I want to. I usually just use this for rounding over. I got a 3/8 inch round over bit on it right now. I also use this sometimes for small dados and so forth. I've used up to like a 1/2 inch wide dado before. Of course, you just take a few shell passes. There's plenty of power for that. No problem. So I really do like it. There's a lot of cool features. One minor but cool feature is that on the base of the router bit, it has an arrow, and the arrow reminds you which way you should be traveling across the wood, which is kind of cool, because sometimes even now I have to stop and think, okay, which way should I be traveling? Because when you change the orientation of the router, sometimes it throws you off a little bit, and this is a quick reminder, so I really like that. And companies that have these little features, they seem like little features, but they really do make your work a lot more quick and confident, and just takes the guesswork out of it. And I really like that. On the back here, when you want to change the depth of the router, you simply release it. You can move it very easily. There's a micro adjustment, which I really like. Not all routers have this, especially trim routers. So you can really dial in, fine tune the depth of the router bit, especially if you're trying to match up to something else. I really like that a lot. It's lighted. When it runs, there's light on it, there's a guard on it. On the back side, it is open for the dust to come out. So just kind of be aware of that, and don't ever wrap your finger around that. Now this is true on any router almost. The guards don't go all the way around. They have to leave place for the shavings to come out. So just be always conscious where you put your hands when you're holding this like this. Don't hold it so that your fingers go over that opening, because if they happen to slip in there, ouch. Yeah. So, clicks on it, the battery goes on and off really quick and easy. Power switch is right here. It's relatively quiet, doesn't make a whole lot of noise. Still wear your ear protection, but it's not too bad actually. Yeah, I guess that's about all. It's a nice trim router, it's heavy duty built. I really like it. Like I say, I've had it for over a year now. And if you're looking for something like this, down in the description, I'm going to put links for the router, for the batteries, for both the 2 amp and 4 amp hour battery, and also for a charger. So if you need something like this, I'll set you right up. Click those links, go buy it, and yeah. And I hope that you'll be as happy with yours as I am with mine. So, that's all for now. So until next time, have a great day.